In this video, I'll walk you through building a Google Forms survey step by step. First, go to docs.form.com and click the plus button to create a new form or choose from available templates. Next, add a title and description for your server that clearly explains its purpose and to respondents. Then start composing questions and add as much as options here. You can also add questions by clicking the plus button. Choose from multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, and other question types. Customize each question by adding options, making questions required, and setting up question logic for branching service. Configure your firm setting by settings above to control who can respond, whether responses are collected anonymously, and if respondents can edit after submitting. Finally, share your survey by clicking Publish and copy the link to share via email or embed code. And that's how to build a Google Forms survey.